playing.
Subscribe to our channels by clicking the
Oops. Anyway, guys, we are going to be trying to get some more T-Rexes to make my dream pet, a Neon T-Rex. So far, we have, you can see it there, but we have 2 T-Rexes in our inventory right now. And we are not going to be, guys, don't worry. We are not going to be trading Shelly for a, no, we're just going to be trying to trade something else, but if it comes down to the limit, of course I'm not going to, but, guys, we're just running around trying to, I think this is mine. Guys, I'm going to switch back to the parent, because I was just trying to get some extra, a little bit extra money, but I'm really just going to switch to parent, so I can know what my fossil egg needs. So you know what, guys, we're gonna run over here, and we're gonna, if you guys like my outfit, and we're just gonna put on my Halloween outfit in a minute. So of course, this one. This was for last Halloween. Not that. There it is, guys. My Joker outfit. It's also pretty creepy, to be honest. It kind of looks like Joker. But let's just put on my normal outfit that I am. I'm always in. Let's walk into our house here. You notice that I deleted the grounding area because I felt like it wasn't really necessary to actually have there. You just walk in and it's like a huge grounding area. But this is my pet room. Go up here. And guys, guess what? And don't worry, we are going to be finishing the castle in a separate video. We'll be doing that on my other channel, so make sure to go check that out. And how we get to our castle? Okay, so you go around here. You go into my bedroom. I love my bedroom. It's awesome. Thank you for helping me make it. And you see this like little stool. You see everything's so fancy, and then you see the stool here. You sit on it. And then another through the wall. And then you jump out, and you're like, oh my god. And then this is where you go to the castle, which is basically where we're gonna be mostly like coming. And then once you get down, you just run down here, or you can sit on this one, or you can just go straight down. Boom. Oh, we actually forgot to feed my fossil egg, so we're just gonna run over here to the baby room / pet room. Should actually change that. Baby / pet. See. This baby / pet. And we're gonna try to hatch our fossil and see if we can get a T-Rex. Guys, he's back. Guys, this is the guy that scammed me. And he's so rude. Wait. I just traded you my... I just traded you my legendary vehicles. I feel like all the vehicles equal. I have the T-Rex. You guys know I'll scam to get a freaking T-Rex, guys. Let's bring out my fossil egg here. we're actually gonna trade this girl because, as you guys can see, she has it. Oh my god. Okay, she accepted. Let's put in all of these big boys. Wait. I was added. Go let me add. I'm giving her enough to make a neon koala. Guys, that's a pretty good trade. Maybe I should add. I guess she's not gonna accept. Oh, guys, she accepted the trade. So let's put in all of these koalas. Oh my god. Let me add Fliz. Let me add Fliz. Oh my god, guys. Do you see what that is? Guys, do you see what that is? That's a golden unicorn. And if they accept this, I'm gonna flip out. Oh, guys, they declined the trade request. Let's send the trade to this person and can offer for T-Rex. No, T-Rex. Alright, guys. So, let me see what's nice about it. He put a heart at the end, and that was very nice. I appreciate that. And we're gonna go inside here now. And we're just gonna make sure that we're just gonna put this little into the little crib here. I'm messing up on my words today, guys. Luckily, I don't have my face cam today, or else my words will be all messed up. Oh my, okay. Alright, so we are halfway to hatching this. I would hatch it with Robux, but I just spent all my Robux. So, I have to ask my dad to get more, but he said I can't get any more. So, wonder what we're going to trade today. Please offer for T-Rex. Wait a second, guys. Look at this username. This is the same guy that scammed me. How did you get back in the server? Well, that's kind of screwness of him. Okay, I'm gonna see if my friend is online, and I'm gonna see. Let's see. A bit later. Let's put my fossil egg in my fossil egg in here. And my face cam wasn't working because I actually have a ginormous monitor. So, and I have to use like a webcam, but for some reason it doesn't detect anything that I'm doing. So, got in my house. Cause I don't know how long I could. So let's go to the I don't know where I should go. Somebody was chasing me and they decided to trade me. Let's just put in my fossil like it. Guys, this is a pretty good trade. They're trying to hatch this, so maybe if I put in this, they accept that? Maybe if I put in that, they accept that, please. You can add something. Because they're both rare. All of these are rare, so I really want to really get this, to be honest. And you guys are probably wondering, why are you putting me on that? And I have a fossil egg. Oh, accepted. Good. Now I'm gonna run away. I don't know what's going on here. And guys, we got ourselves a woolly mammoth. I was probably over with that trade. Because they were both rare. They should have just accepted for Deno 6, but then I have to add an email. Which, to be honest, I didn't really care. Since I wasn't really making a neon email or anything like that. And besides, I sold 3 more emails, so. And they're like, wait, you could have made a neon. Should have added like an Australian Kelpie or something. Which that. Ooh. That is true, because I actually have 5 Australian Kelpies, and I could just add that one. I could still be moving on. Whatever. Let's just run around. Let's actually go on one bounce before we actually go off. Bounce and hit the ground. Oh, there we go. So guys, we're gonna go inside of our inventory here, and we're gonna go down here and look at that woolly mammoth. Have it in our inventory, guys. Alright, guys, we're gonna test this guy to see if he is a scammer. Trade. Give him a name. I bought the lemonade. I have the item. So let's see what they say. Because if you buy the lemonade, I'm getting a dragon. So let's see if it's actually true. Guys, it's probably. Please accept. Oh, I think this is him. Let's send him a trade here.